All right, here's another company for you guys who want to do repairs or customize your old hoses. Now, say you had a 1969 Chevy pickup, but you wanted to upgrade to a new parallel flow condenser, not have that old tube and grill. Well, you would need new fittings to go to a parallel flow condenser, and you would need new hoses. So you can take your existing OEM lines, you can cut them, and you can see how you can add a hose to it. And then you'd bring your hose over to your new condenser that has a new fitting, and you can get a new fitting and put it onto the hose, and then use the handheld crimper to crimp the fittings on to do a retrofit using all your old lines up to a point where you decide you want to cut, splice, add on hose, and add on your fittings. And I'll take you over to their kit. So here's one of their kits right here, and this is what you get. Something like this, and it looks like they have the Milwaukee pack out, and that's what you would be getting. You can see one of my old units right here that you see me in some of my videos. And if you wanted more information,
I'm David.
there you go, right there, full focus, right there. For information like that, and
You can also put him here.
here we go.
Too.
Different location, and there you go. And just another method of either making up your own lines or repairing or modifying and retrofitting, so you can add one of those HVAC kits from another company for a new condenser or new evaporator. See you guys.